Hello, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about inner and outer wisdom. This is a little bit about mindfulness, really. Outer wisdom is pretty straightforward, really. It is ability to understand things like what exercise is good for us, what sort of nutrition plans are best, how many calories, how many grams of protein are in food. So the stuff that we can learn, the stuff that we can read about, and the stuff that most of us do know something about. So that's our outer wisdom. Our inner wisdom is a little bit more, it's a little bit more holistic. It's about understanding what's going on inside our body and in our mind. So when we think about our inner wisdom, it's about the foods that we enjoy eating, the reasons why we eat food, the emotions that go along with our eating of food. So it's all the stuff that you can't really learn. It's just innate in our bodies and in our brains. And these two things are really so important to our fat loss and to our ability to lose weight in the future. Now, I've deliberately so far not really talked about the outer wisdom, things like your calories, your exercise levels, because I want that to come later on in the plans, in the later transformational plans that we do, where we can really focus on getting your exercise right and your calories and your protein, and we'll talk a bit more about that later on in the week. But I deliberately not stayed away from that because I feel sometimes doing the inner and the outer work really becomes quite a challenge, because it's almost like sort of wiring two circuits at the same time. So for this fortnight, we're looking at your inner wisdom. We're looking at being mindful about what we're eating, why we're eating, the emotions that cause us to eat the things that we do. And that's really why we're doing this little process first. So continue to work on those habits. Think about the reasons why you eat the things you do, even if it's not your habits that we're trying to break. Have a think about all the other stuff that goes on in our inner wisdom. And tomorrow's video, we're going to look at emotional intelligence, which links into the inner and outer wisdom quite nicely, and it's going to hopefully really help you understand what's exactly going on with your body and your brain, and why we eat the things we do when sometimes we really don't want to. So hope you're doing okay with things. If you have any problems at all, give me a shout. Feel free to message me if you need help. I'll speak to you tomorrow.